Hello, all my lovely boys and girls. I hope you guys can hear me and see me well. Yes, give me a thumbs up, give me a yo in the chat quickly, people. Hello, Sunita, welcome. Shweta, Sai, Parijat Thakur, welcome. Very nice to see you. Hello, Leena. Leena, welcome, Leena. Nice to see you. So, people, today we are finally there in the Menti session for the chapter Relations and Functions. It's gonna be an epic session. I hope you guys are all ready. I hope you will all enjoy the beautiful questions which I have brought for you. So shall we get started? Hello Sanvi, welcome Sanvi ji. Ankita, great. Logeshwari, Sunita, welcome. So people, I'm gonna get started. I hope you're all ready. I will show you the Menti code in some time, but till then I will solve the homework question. Okay, so in 12th also I give homework question and I will definitely show the Menti code after that. So till then please wait patiently and let your friends know. Let the number of people increase, because Menti sessions are fun only when more number of students are there. Okay, so you have to help me out with that. Make sure you guys share it to all the people you know. Bring them all here, then we will get started. Okay, fantastic. Yes, the Menti code is behind me, but it is not very clear. I think it is 36986435. 3698 and 6435. Yes, Yash, I will take it tomorrow, man. Yes, I will take the class tomorrow, 100%. Don't worry. Hello, Shiva. Shiva is always on time for all the Menti sessions. Great, Shiva. Nice to have you here. So people, in case you are new to this channel, so I will quickly introduce myself. My name is Shimon Joseph. I teach mathematics at Vedantu. So like you guys, I also prepared for many exams when I was a young boy. So I wrote KVPY, I wrote JEE Mains, and I cleared all these exams. Eventually I made it into IIT. So I studied in IIT Madras for 5 beautiful years, and now after I passed out, I got into teaching. Why? Because I love you guys. I want to be here for you. I want to guide you to reach your best potential. Okay, so I want everybody to reach your best potential, and that is what I'm here to do. Yes, Aishwarya, welcome Aishwarya. My health is better now, but my voice is not better. I don't know why, but it will be all right soon, I guess. Okay. So Bruhat, I will tell you the Menti code. Please wait. Pujita, welcome Pujita. So guys, somebody please share the Menti code in the chat. Yes, Sai has done it. 36986435. So that's the Menti code. Go to www.menti.com and use the code which I have shown you here. 36986435. So that is the Menti code. You guys have to go to menti.com and then you have to use this. You will come to this class. Is that clear, people? I want all of you watching in YouTube to come be a part of the session so that it's fun for everybody. Okay. In case you want to talk to me, you can follow me on Instagram. My ID will be given in every slide. You can make a note of it. Maybe you can follow me if you want to ask any doubt to me. Okay. Great. Kirti Aran has shared it. Thank you, Kirti Aran. Vignesh, welcome man. Abhinay, welcome. So people, let's get going. I want to talk about the homework question because many of you have solved it and I was very happy to see that. Great job, guys. But before I go to the homework question, if you are new to this channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button because we do some great, cool videos here and we will help you with your JEE Mains preparation. So if you are an engineering aspirant, make sure you hit the subscribe button and make sure you follow us regularly because we 3 teachers are there. Myself, Wasim sir and Shreyas sir. So we'll help you with maths, chemistry and physics respectively, and we will make sure you guys reach your goal that you have fixed for yourself. Got it? So make sure you share it to your friends and like the video as well. Now coming to the crash course. Many of you, if you guys are in 12th standard, if you are writing JEE Mains this year, then make sure you check out the crash course. It is available at a very reasonable price right now. Because the exams are nearing. Now that CBSE exams are cancelled, state board exams are cancelled, JEE Mains becomes very important. So that is why Vedantu has, slashed the price from 10,000 to 6,000 so that you guys can make use of it. And the batches are starting tomorrow. The batches are starting tomorrow. Got it? Papi Reddy, I will not be teaching, but there are very experienced teachers because for crash course, they have to teach the important stuff in a short time. So you need very experienced teachers for that, and Vedantu has them. Okay, you will fall in love with their teaching. Check it out. L-6 Gallery. Yes, I am from Chennai, man. I am from Chennai. My native is Tamil Nadu, so I speak Tamil. Yes. Hello, Leena. Welcome, Leena. Very nice to see you. Anileen, welcome. So guys, 2021 batch, I hope you have made a note of it. So check it out and do join it if you want to improve your score. So this was the homework question. Many of my students have solved it. So I'm going to do this homework question, then we will get started. Okay. So how do you solve this? I told you to find inverse, you take y is equal to 1 minus x by 1 plus x. Then what do? You get x in terms of y. So how do you get that? Cross multiply. So you'll get y plus yx is equal to 1 minus x. Now you need to get x in terms of y. So you'll get 1 minus y is equal to, what will you get? Minus of x into, I'll get 1 plus y. So I will get x is equal to 1 minus y by 1 plus y. So now you will write f inverse of x is equal to 1 minus x by 1 plus x. So that is your f inverse. This is how you find it. I hope you guys are aware of it. I hope you guys are aware of it. Everybody? So this is how you find f inverse. So what is the answer? F inverse is the same as f of x. You see that? F of x is 1 minus x by 1 plus x. F inverse is also 1 minus x by 1 plus x. I derived it. This is the way you do it. That is why answer is option A. Are you all clear? Can you guys give me a thumbs up? And then we'll get started. And then we will get started. Shall we? Fantastic. Great, great. Yes, Sai, I know, man. I thought I'll cancel this session, but everybody is excited about Menti Quiz, so I thought I'll come, I'll finish it off. Okay. So that is why I'm here. Yes, my voice is gone, guys. I'm getting only air outside. Yes. Okay, so people, this is the homework question. Many of you have solved it. Let me appreciate some of the students. Shweta, Sanvi, Logeshwari, Amoga, Ankit, Venisha, Siva Subramanian, Ankit, Vishwak. Then we have Heshwita, Vijay, Shreyas, We Enthuse FC. Then we have Aditi, Surya Prakash, and Crack with Gokulnath. You guys were absolutely right. Awesome. Pujita is also correct. Talapati Giri, Vijay Kumar. You guys are awesome. Keep it up, guys. Okay. Yes, Sanvi, I know. I should have, but Menti everybody loves. Now students love Menti Quiz. If I cancel it, they'll feel bad. So guys, this is a Menti code. Everybody please join. Everybody please join. So the only way you can make me happy is increasing the number of students in the Menti Quiz. If I get 20, 30, what is this, guys? Come on. I schedule this Menti Quiz just to help you guys out. Hello, Sarayu. Welcome, Sarayu. Very nice to see you here. Yes, Sarayu, I saw your name. Very good. Background is awesome, right? So this was done by our content team. We have a very good, experienced mathematician, Shimon Sir. So he is the one who does all this. Okay, great job, isn't it? Cool. To make you guys study how much of background effort goes inside. Can you guys have a look at it? To make you guys study how much of background effect goes into it. Yes. So people, if you're watching in YouTube, please come and join in this Menti Quiz. Only if you come here, you can participate. So all of you, those who are watching in YouTube, go to www.menti.com. Go to www.menti.com and use the coupon code over here. Okay. I don't know why I keep saying coupon code. So use the code over here, not coupon code. Okay. So use the code over here. Please use it and come join the class soon. Everybody. So 23 people are here. Okay, not bad. So I think we'll get started with it. Okay. Great, great. Exactly. Because of Vedantu Pro and Crash Course coupon code, I got confused with it. So don't worry guys. Here there's no price. It is free. You can come be a part of it. Hello Badri Narayanan. Yes man, long time no see. You're coming after a very long time. Slip of the tongue. Exactly. So people, I'm going to get started and I will ask the moderator to keep sharing the Menti code. So in case you joined recently, please start the Menti quiz by coming to www.menti.com. Let's get started, shall we? Here we go. Hello Aditya. L's Gallery. This is an English channel, man. But don't worry. I know how to speak Tamil. Don't worry about it. So people, are you all ready? Only few people. I can hold everybody with my 2 arms. Usually it's like flooded. Usually it's like fully filled. But here you see only less people are there. But doesn't matter. We will get started. Here we go. Shall we get started? The first question. Are you all ready? Are all my ninjas ready? So let's begin guys. The first question for all of you is right on your screen. It's a fantastic question. You will enjoy it. You will enjoy it. So please try it out, everybody. So this is the very first question. Please think about it and solve it. I want all of you to do it. Okay, I want all of you to do it. Come on, people. Hello, Shreyas. Very good, Shreyas. Let's see if you are making it to the top. Yes, Pavitra. I will try to do it. It would be awesome, na? Yes, Pavitra, I will try to do that. Don't worry. Yes, Mala Mohan, definitely Mala. Do you watch football? Yes, Nanda Kishore, I watch it very seriously, especially English Premier League. But not Euro. Euro I'm not watching. I will watch maybe the finals or semi-finals. Okay. So what's the answer, people? Come on. Last 5 seconds. I want everybody to answer. Fatafat. So everybody has voted. The answer is bijective. It's a very good question, guys. How many of you know how to solve this? The method to solve this question is by using graph. How many of you are doing it by graph? Did you guys get the graph of this question? Very good, Kirti Aran. You are awesome. You are awesome. Sai, very good. Logeshwari, what happened? Logeshwari, I think it's God's help to get the right answer. Great. Bruhat, very good, man. So let's solve it. So guys, first of all, see, whenever you have modulus of x, no, you need to make sure you write it in a algebraic form. You should not leave mod x like mod x. Please don't do that. That is not correct at all. Okay, you need to open mod x. Now, you guys know how to do it. How do you open mod x? You guys are all, everybody is aware of it. It is just that I need to bring it out of you. So f of x, my dear students, will be x square if x is positive. Don't you agree? Because if x is positive, mod x will open as x. So it will become x into x. X into x will become x square. Are you all clear? Everybody got it? Now, when x is negative, my dear boys and girls, x is negative, mod x will open as minus x. So x into minus x will become minus x square. Isn't that lovely? Isn't that lovely? As simple as that. And they have given you a limit on x also. So the graph is only between -1 to 1. So from -1 all the way up to 1. So for positive x, it is x square graph. For negative x, it is minus x square graph. So it will go all the way up to 1. And here it will be all the way -1. So it is 1 to 1 and it is on to, obviously, because A and B are the same set. Na? A is also -1 to 1. B is also -1 to 1. Am I taking all the values from -1 to 1? Yes. Am I having a 1 to 1 function? Yes. So it is 1 to 1 and on to. Therefore, it is a bijection. This is the way you solve it. If you guys did it like this, you're right. Otherwise, you have to correct yourself. Otherwise, you have to correct yourself. Are you all clear? Did you all like it? Everybody? So Dion Jose, you will get the leaderboard after 5 questions. So I have totally 15 questions After every 5 questions, I will show the leaderboard because it will unnecessarily take a lot of time, man. And my voice is also already gone. So I don't want to keep repeating names. Got it? So I'll show you after 5 questions. That will be fair. Okay. So I cannot remove the background, but I think if you watch it in 720 pixel, you will be able to see what I'm writing. Okay. Otherwise, you guys tell me what color is better. So is blue better? Or let me show green. Is green better? Or is red better? You tell me, I will write in that color. Black, of course, will not be good because black will not be seen. Which is better, guys? Which color is better for me to write? Red. Really? Is red better? I doubt it, but still, I think green is best. Nah? I also feel green is best. Okay, so I'll write in green color. So we'll go on with that. Perfect. So moving on, guys, let's go to the next question. Are you all ready? Question number 2. Question number 2. Everybody, come on, guys. Here we go. Get started. Please solve it. I want maximum participation. And guys, if you are watching it in YouTube, come be a part of this session. I want everybody to come to menti.com. Go to www.menti.com and use the code given here. The code I have shared it in the chat as well. So please join the Menti session. It will be fun. Don't answer in YouTube. Only when you join, it's fun. I want more people to participate. Please do that, guys. Everybody. Yes, Vidya Shankar. Absolutely, man. It was very terrifying. It was terrifying. Yeah. It was very scary, but he's all right now. He's stable. So what is the answer? The answer is very simple. Very simple question. It is R is equal to R inverse. First of all, is it universal relation? No. Universal relation means it is A cross A. Universal relation means it should be what? It should be A cross A. Is it A cross A? Is R equal to A cross A, people? And A is over here? Absolutely not, because A cross A will have 25 elements. A cross A will have 25 elements. Are you all clear? D option is none of these. Nothing is given in D option, but still people chose D option. 3 legends. I don't know who these 3 legends are. 3 legends have chosen D option. These guys are extraordinary talents. Okay, great. Fantastic. So now, obviously A is wrong. Now B is what? Identity relation. Guys, identity means you should have only these 5. You should have only these 5. So this is extra. So it is not identity, because identity means you should have only identical pairs for every element belonging to A. For every element belonging to A, you need to have, for every element belonging to A, you need to have identical pairs. That's it. Are you all clear with it? Everybody? Fantastic, guys. And that is why B is wrong. Now what is C option? C option says that R and R inverse are the same. So R inverse means what? R inverse means every pair you will reverse it and write it. So what is R inverse? R inverse is equal to A comma A reverse. It will be A comma A. Then B comma B reverse. It will be B comma B. Then C comma C reverse. D comma D reverse. And then E comma E reverse. And then E comma D reverse will be D comma E. And D comma E reverse will be E comma D. So these are the elements of R inverse. Don't you think R inverse and R are the same? Don't you think R inverse and R are the same? So you can say it is a symmetric relation. Is it correct? Yes. It is a symmetric relation. And you can say R is equal to R inverse. So this is the right answer. If you answered C, you guys are perfectly right. Did you all like it? Shall I move forward? Bruhat, only 5 should be there. Only then it is identity. But we have extra elements now, Bruhat. So this is not correct. Understood? I hope you realized your mistake. Very good, Srilata, Rasangan. Fantastic. Great. Yes, Chaitanya, you have to do it. Okay. Is it equivalence relation? Yes, you are right. Who is that? Anileen. Very good, Anileen. Siva, please pull the video back and watch it, Siva. We'll have to move forward. I am sure you will be able to follow. Just pull the video back and watch it again. You will be able to catch it. Okay, so moving on to the third question. Are you guys ready? Hello, Jagadish. Welcome, Jagadish. Nice to see you here. Very good, Sanvi. Fantastic. So here we go. The third question for all my lovely students out here. Please solve it. It's a nice question. What do we have? Great, great, great. This is a nice question. It is simple, but you need to think about it and solve it. Such questions are very common in NCERT, in your CBSE exams. Okay, so please try to do it, my dear boys and girls. You have sufficient time. You have 30 more seconds. So please do it carefully. Hello, Tanishk. Welcome, man. Tanishk, welcome. Siva, very good, Siva. Fantastic. Aishwarya has got it. Fantastic, Aishwarya. So people, if you are in YouTube, please come to menti.com, apply the code and participate here. Don't participate in the YouTube chat, okay? Euclidean plane, something like Cartesian plane. Okay, think of it like a Cartesian plane, Sanvi. Very good, guys. You are all awesome. The answer is an obvious equivalence relation. The answer is equivalence relation. Very good, very good. So why is it equivalence relation? Let me explain it to you. Please listen carefully. Everybody, are you all listening? Perfect. Now you have a relation which says that triangles are related if they are congruent to each other. So will it be reflexive? Absolutely yes. Okay. So if you have A comma a triangle will be congruent to itself. A triangle will be congruent to itself. So A will be related to A. Therefore, it is reflexive. Very easy. Very easy. Laddu. A triangle will always be congruent to itself. Therefore, A is related to A. Got it? So it should be reflexive. Pakka correct. Now, let me show you how it is symmetric. So let us say A comma B belongs to R. So if A comma B belongs to R, I know that A is congruent to B. If A is congruent to B, that implies B is also congruent to A. B is also congruent to A. So can I say B comma A also belongs to R? So A comma B belonging to R, I started. I finished with B comma A belonging to R. So is it reflexive? Are you all clear? Is it reflexive? Everybody, please let me know. Raghav, ulta A means for all. Ulta A is for all. That is a symbol which we use in set, relation and function. Okay. So that means for all values. Got it? Everybody clear? Now the last one is transitive. How do we prove transitive? Very easy. You need to take two elements belonging to the relation. So let us take A comma B belonging to R and B comma C belonging to R. So for transitive, always you need to assume two ordered pairs like this belonging to R. Always. Whenever you prove transitive, this is the way you go forward. Everybody? Now listen carefully. Now if A comma B belongs to R, that means A is congruent to B. B comma C belonging to R means B is congruent to C. So from these two relations, can I say A is congruent to C also? If A is congruent to B and B is congruent to C, can I say these two will imply A is congruent to C? So can I say A comma C belongs to R? So I started off with AB, BC belonging to R and I implied A comma C belonging to R. Hence, it is transitive as well. Hence, it is transitive also. This is the way you prove it. Sarayu, are you able to understand? Yes. Are you able to understand? Fantastic. Kiran Kumar is there in the chat, is it? Where is Kiran Kumar? I can't see him. Okay, I will try to confuse you, definitely. Don't worry. Sushri, fantastic Sushri. Darshan, absolutely. I remember you, man. Nowadays, you are regular to my class. So, of course, I remembered you for sure. Siva, yes, Siva, definitely we'll do it. Don't worry, Siva. So, people, shall we go forward? Everybody? So, I don't want to spend energy. That's why I'm not confusing you, okay? Because my throat is already gone. So let's move forward. Very good, Gokulnath. Fantastic, man. So people, fourth question. Everybody, how to go to www. Sarayu, just go to www.menti.com. Just type it on the computer or mobile. Okay. Sarayu, you just have to Google it. Just Google menti.com and put this code. Then only you can participate, Sarayu. Okay, just Google it. Clear? Okay, guys. So fourth question. Here we go. Please solve it, my dear boys and girls. Come on, everybody. This is a nice question. I gave you this. This is direct answer. Nothing to think. Hello, Vaibhav. Welcome, man. Yes, Akshay, I will try to change it like I told you. Next time, I will take care. Don't worry. This time, the team had already informed all the students. So that is why I could not do it. Okay? Fantastic. So people, are you all done with this question? Come on, guys. Ronaldo or Messi? So I used to like Ronaldinho. I don't know whether you are aware of him. Ronaldinho, I used to like him when I was young. After that, Cristiano Ronaldo and Messi, I don't have a preference, man. I used to like Drogba a lot. Chelsea. So I'm a huge Chelsea fan. So Chelsea won the Champions League. You saw that? So I like Drogba from Chelsea when he was in 2012. But now I just watch it for fun. Okay. So people, I hope everybody got it. So this is a property. Whenever you have P and Q both to be equivalence relation, then their intersection will also be equivalence relation. That's a property I gave you during my classes. Okay, so make sure you guys follow it carefully. Everybody clear? Shall we move forward? Great. Sanvi, we were talking about footballers. And Uday, I am from Chennai, man. I am from Chennai. So I am not from Kerala, but I do understand Malayalam to a certain extent. So people, here we go. Question number 5. Please solve it. Yes, Chaitanya. Next chapter is ITF. Sanku, welcome, man. So Siva, every day at 9 o'clock I take for 12th standard. And some days at 4 o'clock I take for 11th standard. So people, please try it out. All of you, come on. Everybody, please try to solve it. Menti is crashing. I don't know why, man. Darshan, some students are here. They are able to participate. Try to join. Ankesh, welcome. Krishna Kishore, welcome, guys. So in case you want to participate in the Menti quiz, guys, please go to www.menti.com and use the code. It's a very fun. It is a very fun quiz. So please join it, and I will show you the leaderboard after this quiz. Okay, after this quiz, I'm going to show you the leaderboard. Please wait for it. So what is the answer? The answer, only 11 people got it right. Even though I taught you in my class. How do you solve it? See, you have set A, which has 5 elements. So let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now set B has how many elements? Set B has 2 elements. Let's say A and B. Now, how many functions can I have? So 1 has 2 options. 2 has 2 options. 3 has 2 options. 4 has 2 options. 5 has 2 options. So the total number of functions that is possible is 2 to the power 5, which is equal to 32. Laddu question. Laddu question. Are you all clear? Very good, Shiva. That's correct. It is, the formula is, the number of functions formula is NB to the power NA. NB to the power NA is the formula. I hope you guys are clear. It is not 5 to the power 2, it is 2 to the power 5. Everybody cool with it? Shall I move forward? Very good, Gokulnath. Fantastic. Siva, fantastic. Great job, guys. Hello, Siddharth Gautam. Welcome, Siddharth. Nice to see you here. Kakashi, you should have done 2 power 5. Okay, I hope now it is clear. Don't repeat the same mistake. Very good, Sushri. Great job, guys. So with that, now I'm going to show you the leaderboard. I'm also excited to see who is at the top. Here we go. Please check it out, guys. Okay, fantastic. we have Kirti Haran. Great man, not bad. Kirti Haran is at the top and followed by Shreyas, followed by Anurag, followed by Appu, followed by I am the topper. I like the confidence. Sai, Shimon Sir's fan, great. Sai is doing great. AK, then we have Riaz, Aishwarya and Logu. So people, keep it up. You know where you are now. So you have to work to maintain your spot. So catch up with Kirti Haran. He is not very far away, but it is not easy to catch also. Okay. So try to give your best. And in case you guys are in YouTube, if you want to participate, please join the Menti Quiz. Go to www.menti.com and use this code, guys, and then you can join. Okay. So here we go to the next question. Please solve it, everybody. The sixth question for all of you right on your screen. Come on, guys. Yes, Yuvanesh, it is totally possible, man. It is totally possible. Just give it your best effort and work hard. You will eventually make it. Don't worry. Got it? Don't worry, Yuvanesh. Okay, so people, this is a nice question. I like this question. It is again from relations. So think about it and solve it. It is something to do with your aptitude also. So think carefully and do it. Don't rush into it. If you rush into it, there is a very high chance you will go wrong. Okay. Fantastic. Last 5 seconds. Come on, people. Here we go. No, Sanvi, think about it. That's why I told you, no, it's a good question. It's a good question. Okay. Sanjeev, welcome Sanjeev. Very nice to see you. Okay, the answer is option B, my dear students. It is not symmetric, Sanvi. Why is it not symmetric? Because if I am your brother, Sanvi, then you are not my brother, right? So it is not symmetric. Because you can be my sister also. Got it? So if A is the brother of B, then B need not be the brother of A. B need not be the brother of A. B can be the sister of A also, right? So that's why I said you have to use your brain. So I'm just pulling your leg, guys. Don't worry, it's okay. Usually people don't think too detailedly, and especially it's a Menti quiz. Everybody wants to answer fast. So that's why you go wrong. But now you know, so think slowly and get it correct. Okay. So that is why it is not symmetric, but transitive is possible. Transitive is possible. Why? Because if A is the brother of B, and if B is the brother of C, then A is the brother of C also, obviously. Obviously, if A is the brother of B, B is the brother of C, then A should be the brother of C also. Absolutely. So that is why it is transitive. So transitive is correct, symmetric is wrong. So that's why option B is correct. Did you all like it? Shall I move forward? Everybody? Very good, Gokulnath, you're right. Siva, please follow the class, Siva. I will talk about your personal questions at the end, Siva. Otherwise, message me on Instagram. I am very active in Instagram. Message me there, I will help you. Not during live class, okay? So people, let's move forward. Come on, guys. Let's go to the 7th question. Are you all ready? Everybody? Yes? So here we go. Anshika, welcome Anshika. Glad to have you here. Anshika, if you want to participate, go to www.menti.com and use this code so that you can also be a part of this wonderful Menti session. You can also compete with our students. So here we go, people. Please solve it quickly. Fatafat, we'll go. So Pranshu, this session will get over by 10 o'clock. Okay. So that is what I'm guessing. It should be over by 10 o'clock. Everybody try to solve this, guys. It's a nice question. Again, do it by graph. Do it by graph. Please do it by graph. Everybody. Okay. Shweta, I don't know why Shweta. There is some issue with Menti, I guess. I will get it checked, don't worry. Next time it should be fine. Great. Hello, Sushri says C. Okay, we'll check it. Hello, Avik. Avik, welcome man. Very nice to see you. Avik, after a long time. Pranshu says A. Okay, we'll check it. Hello, Kashtangal. Welcome, Kashtangal. Anju Mohan. Welcome, Anju. Very nice to see you. So people, last 5 seconds. Your time is about to end in 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Here we go. So please try to solve it. What is the answer? The answer is option C. Why is C the right answer? I told you draw the graph. So first of all, if you take this function, what are the roots of this function? The roots are 4 and 0. Do you all agree? The roots of this quadratic are 4 and 0, and it will be a downward opening parabola. So here A is equal to -1. So A is less than 0. So it will be a downward opening parabola. So from 0, 0 is a root, 4 is a root. So the parabola will be like this. Do you all agree? So this is how the parabola will look like. The domain is what? The domain is from 2 or up to infinity. So from 2 up to infinity. So the range will be the functional value at 2. So if I put 2, the range is 4. Because 4 into 2 minus 2 square. F of 2 is how much? F of 2 is 4 into 2 minus 2 square, which will be 4. So at 2, the value is 4. And the domain is all the right side part. So there is no domain here. So the function itself starts from 2. Are you all clear? So this is how the function looks like. So what is the range? The range is from minus infinity up to 4. So that's the range. So that is nothing but option C. I hope now you're clear. I hope now you guys are clear with it. Everybody got it? Yes? Absolutely clear with it? Everybody? Fantastic, guys. Brilliant. So this is how you solve it. Whenever you're asked a question based on invertible nature, based on range, then it's better to draw the graph. Please understand that. Okay, graph is a very powerful method. It can help you easily crack range-based questions. So here I am supposed to find the range. Why? Because they asked what is codomain, given that it is invertible. So if it is invertible, it has to be a bijection. That is how you go conceptually. If it is invertible, it has to be a bijection. If it is a bijection, then X should be range, because range is equal to codomain whenever you have a bijection. So range I can get from the function by drawing it. Are you all clear with it? Everybody? Adarsh, I hope you are able to follow Adarsh. Very good, guys. Manisha, fantastic Manisha. I am so glad you guys are able to understand it. Okay, so it's a very good question, guys. Okay, basic question but good. It teaches you a lot of concepts. Perfect. I'm so happy you enjoyed it. So with that, let's move forward to the 8th question. 8th question right on your screen. Go for it. If you are watching in YouTube, guys, please join the Menti Quiz. Go to www.menti.com and use the code given here so that you can also be a part of this. It's a Laddu question, guys. This is Laddu. Laddu Max, we call it in IIT. Whenever we say something extraordinary, we will always say Max at the end of it. Laddu Max. Bruhat, very good, man. Lot of people from Telangana. Sai is also from Telangana. Bruhat is also from Telangana. Great. So guys, what is the answer here? What is this, people? Seriously, come on. It's a very simple question and you guys have failed to answer this. Very bad, very bad. Okay, this is very bad. Guys, how can you go for none of these? I told you very clearly. See, reflexive though is pakka wrong. Why it's wrong? It is wrong because, guys, listen very carefully. Reflexive is absolutely wrong because for reflexive, you need to have 1, 1. You need to have 2, 2. You need to have 3, 3. So reflexive is pakka wrong because for reflexive, I need to have these 3 pairs. I need to have these 3 pairs. So that is clear. Now, symmetric, why is it wrong? Symmetric is also wrong because if 1, 2 is there, then 2, 1 should also be there. Because symmetric means whatever is there, its reverse should also be there. But that is not there. That is not present. Therefore, symmetric is also wrong. Are you all clear, everybody? Are you all clear with it? Great. Now, the last one is transitive. So why is it transitive? Transitive is by default. Sanvi was correct. By default, everything is transitive unless, when it is not transitive, unless you have A comma B and you have B comma C in the relation, but A comma C is not there. Only then it is not transitive. So when will transitive fail? Transitive will fail only when this happens. A comma B is there, B comma C is there, but A comma C is not there. Did you like it, everybody? Is that clear now? So this is not happening here, right? I cannot check for this. Just because I can't check for this, I cannot say it is not transitive. Because by default, if you cannot check the condition for transitive, it is assumed to be transitive. I told you this in the class. Okay? Are you all clear, everybody? So don't repeat this mistake. It's a very common mistake. That's why I took this in the Menti Quiz. Okay? So let's move forward, guys. Everybody, here we go. 9th question. All of you, 9th question right on your screen. I hope you're all ready. So people, please answer it. 9th one. So a set A has 4 elements and set B has 3 elements. Then the number of injections. Okay, injection means what? It is not COVID vaccination. It is one-to-one function. Okay, it is one-to-one function. Injection means one-to-one. So think about it and solve it. It's a very, very good question. I'm sure many will go wrong here. Legendary, legendary, legendary. You guys are next level, man. You guys are next level. So people, are you all done? Everybody, please answer it quickly. Everybody done with it? Great. So the answer is option 0. Option 0. Everybody tells 0 is attracting you, right? What happened now? Now 0 did not attract you. What happened to the attraction? Gone, is it? So guys, the answer is 0 and it is a very simple question. I'll show you how. Okay? Exactly, Sanvi. Sanvi, brilliant. Good job. Kasa Teja, very good, Kasa Teja. You are also right. Okay, I'll tell you why. Great. Sai Teja, fantastic. So guys, you have set A which has 4 elements. Okay. So 4 elements means what? 1, 2, 3, 4. Now set B has 3 elements. So 3 elements means what? Let's say A, B, C. Now guys, how can I have one-to-one function? You tell me. How can I have one-to-one function? Because the number of elements in B is lesser than number of elements in A, then how can I have one-to-one function? Definitely one element in A will have 2 images. One element in A and another element in A will have the same image. So that is what is going to happen. Are you all clear? That is why the answer is 0. There is no one-to-one function possible. Because of this reason. Why? Because the number of elements in B is less than the number of elements in A. Are you all clear? Everybody, hello Satvik. Satvik, very nice to see you, man. Welcome to our channel. Happy to have you here. Very good, Prudvi Raj. Fantastic, Prince. Great. So with that, here we go to the 10th question, I guess. So after this question, I'll show you the leaderboard. After this question, we have the leaderboard coming up. So people, try to answer it correctly. Everybody is messaging me that your position is gone. RIP to position. Don't worry guys, it's okay. Menti is for fun. Let's all learn together. Okay, great. Abhinaya, welcome. Abhinav, welcome, man. So here we go. The 10th question. Please solve it, guys. All of you. So here we have the 10th one. Let's see if you guys can handle it. This is a nice question, guys. It is not that easy. You need to think. You need to squeeze your brain and answer it. Okay, so I will solve it detailedly for you. But first, you guys think about it. Great. So people, are you all done? You have 30 more seconds. Let's see who is right and who is wrong. Venisha says D. Okay. And Sushri says confusing. Prabhavati says D. Okay, a lot of people are saying D. I don't know why. Last 10 seconds. Ajay Reddy says C. Okay, JEE worksheet says C. Ames aspirant Darshan Babu says C. Faizan says C. Kasateja says C. Yes, C is correct. Okay, so C is the right one, guys. Why is C correct? I will explain it to you. Please listen carefully. Everybody, very good, very good, very good. All those who answered C, you guys are right. Ashwini, it is not A, Ashwini. I'll help you, don't worry. Anurag, very good, Anurag. Devan Kumar, very good. So G of F means composition of function, Renato Noble. Okay, so I will teach you Renato, don't worry. So what is G of F? So guys, what is the domain of F? So G of F means Renato, it is G of F of X. So what is the domain of F? 1, 3, 4. So G of F means I need to find G of F of 1. I need to find G of F of 3. I need to find G of F of 4. Got it? So I need to find these values. So this will have the domain as 1 and then 3 and then 4. So that is the domain. Are you all clear? So I need to find the range it takes. Got it? So now G of F of 1. What is F of 1? F of 1 is 2. So F of 1 will be 2. F of 3 is what? 5. F of 3 is 5. F of 4 is what? F of 4 is 1. F of 4 is 1. So I will write F of 4 as 1. Now what is G of 2? G of 2 is 3. G of 2 is 3. G of 5 is what? G of 5 is 1. G of 1 is what? G of 1 is 3. So it will become 1 comma 3 and here 3 was there. No, F of 3. So 3 comma 1. Then you'll have 4 comma 3. So that's your answer. Did you all like it? How many of you understood it? Can you all give me a thumbs up? This is how you solve it. The domain of G of F of X, that is G of F, will be the domain of F only. So domain will be 1, 3, 4. Range will be from G. Range will be the range of G. Are you all clear? Okay, this is a bit interesting. Okay, so Sushri is asking to repeat again. Yes, I will repeat again. I'll repeat again. Some of you have found it difficult. So let me repeat again. Listen carefully. So first of all, Sushri, G of F means it is G of F of X. Okay, so this is what we want to find. We want to write this function. Understood, Sushri? Now, what is the domain, Sushri? Domain is the domain of F, na? Because that is what is going inside. Where are you putting X? You are putting X in the place of F of X, na? So it goes inside F. So it is the domain of F. So that will be 1, 3, 4. Is that correct, Sushri? So I need to find the range of this particular function when I put X equal to 1, when I put X equal to 3, when I put X equal to 4. That's it, Sushri. Are you all clear? So now, what is G of F of 1? G of F of 1, Sushri, F of 1 is how much? F of 1 is 2, na? Because the range, when I put 1 inside F, will be 2. So that will be G of F of 1 is 2, so it will be G of 2. And G of 2 is what, Sushri? G of 2 is 3. Got it? And next is G of F of, next domain is 3. So G of F of 3 will be equal to, F of 3 is what? F of 3 is 5. So it will be G of 5. G of 5 is equal to what? G of 5 is equal to 1. And then the last one is G of F of 4. The next domain is 4, right? So what is F of 4? F of 4 is 1, na? F of 4 is 1. So G of 1 is equal to 3, na? G of 1 is equal to 3. So this is the function domain range, domain range, domain range. So it's 1 comma 3, 3 comma 1, 4 comma 3. That's how you solve it. I hope you got it now. Clear? It's a good one, guys. That's why I repeated it. I repeated it because it's important. Clear? Very good. So I hope you liked it. So people, with that, let's keep moving forward to the next one. Before that, leaderboard. Here we go. Please Do listen to this carefully, guys. Very fast. So lots of changes, lots of changes. Amazing, isn't it? Oh, Kiran is here. Kiran is here. Devil Ninja is back. Great. Kiran, nice to see you, man. I really miss you in the sessions, but glad to have you back. So Kirti Aran still leads. Kirti Aran, legendary, man. Srilata is second. I am the topper. I like the confidence and the performance also. Great. Devil Ninja is back. Darshan, Sai, Boti, then we have Apu, Anurag and Shreyas Kapri. Great. So shall we move forward, everybody? Here we go. The next question, 11th one. Please do it, guys. Hello, Triambak. Welcome, Triambak. Nice to see you. So guys, 11th question is there on your screen. Please solve it, everybody. And if you want to join the Menti quiz, go to menti.com and use the code, okay? Great. Good. Devan Kumar, welcome, man. Vishal, welcome, Vishal. Nice to see you guys. So people, please do it. It's a very easy question. It's a very, very easy question. Laddu, basically. Basically, it's a laddu. Anvika, yes, that would be funny. Yes, we can do that. But menti.com does not provide that. Yes, Sanvi, absolutely. It is as easy as it seems. Please do it. Everybody try to solve it, guys. Come on. Are you all done? Fantastic. So what is the answer? Yes, it is option B, guys. It's very easy. Come on, people. What are you all doing? Guys, if you're having fun, then make sure you give a like to the video. Make sure you let your friends know we are having a Menti quiz so that we'll have more people, more the competition, better the outcome. Okay. So the answer is B. Guys, you just have to reverse everything. What are you all doing? Just reverse everything. F is this now. F inverse means reverse it. B comma A. Then what do you have? B comma D will become D comma B. Are you all clear? Then you have what? Then you have C comma A, so that will become A comma C. And then you have D comma C, which will become C comma D. Are you all clear with this, my dear students? So that's exactly what we have here. Over. Everybody clear? Fantastic. It was an easy question. So let's move forward to the next one, the 12th question for all of you. Here we go. Please solve it, my dear boys and girls. Come on. Great. Oh, this is a nice one. This is a nice one. Let me see if you guys can do it. It's also common sense question. Hello people, everybody, please do it. Come on. All of you. Great. Prince is done. I don't know why I gave this much time for this question. Prince is confident it is option C. Very good, Prince. You are awesome. That's perfectly correct. Okay, great. Kasa Mahesh, very good. Vishal, Jyoti Gautam, Raghav, Grishma. Are you sure? So guys, the answer is, it is 0 only, Venisha. Okay, so it is 0 only. Venisha was so confident it is not 0. So people, let me solve it for you. It is 0 only. It is 0. So let me solve it. Thank you, Ashish. That is so kind of you, man. Thank you so much. That means a lot. So people, everybody, listen carefully. This is a nice question. Okay. Again, common sense. You guys are not doing it patiently. Everybody wants to rush. Everybody wants to complete first, just to get 0 or -1. So A has 5 elements. Let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now B has 6 elements. So let's say A, B, C, D, E, F. Now, if you have 1-to-1 mapping, always one will be left out. So can it be on to? Can it be 1-to-1 and on to at the same time? Think about it. Everybody. Can it be 1-to-1 and on to at the same time? It is not possible. That's why the answer is 0. Because if it is 1 to 1, then pakka one element in set B will always be left out. If one element is left out, then it is not an onto function. It will be an into function. So there is no possible function which is both 1 to 1 and onto. Clear? Everybody? Did you all understand it now? This is the way you solve it, my dear students. Everybody liked it? Great job, guys. With that, let's move forward. Okay. So with that, here we go to the next question, 13th one. So guys, just 3 more questions. Please hurry up and catch up to the leaderboard. I know some of you are at the top. Try to maintain your position. Let's see if you guys can do that. This is a very interesting question. Please think about it and solve it. It is not a very easy one. Please think about it and solve it. Okay. Which subject? Sanskrit, Vamsi. I teach Sanskrit at Vedantu for Rashtrabhasha exam. Got it? So I teach only for Rashtrabhasha and advanced level of Sanskrit. I don't teach basics, only advanced. Okay, so if you are interested in learning Sanskrit and becoming a great poet, then you are at the right place. Otherwise, if you want to learn maths, then this is not the channel. Okay, you have to go to a different channel for that. Got it? Okay, so people, everybody listen carefully, guys. Everybody listen carefully. So the answer for this is gonna be option B. It's a very, very good question, guys. It's a very good question. Clear? So how do you solve this? Many people might have a doubt. Actually, many people have answered A, and I can understand why you did that. I can understand why you did that. I'm gonna help you guys. Please listen carefully, okay? Please listen carefully. So everybody, what is this question asking? Z means integers. Are you all clear? Z means integers. So both of these, Z represents integers. Are you all clear? Everybody cool with that? Fantastic, fantastic. Now, after this, what I'm going to do is, if I take x cube, I will prove you why you are wrong. Okay? I will prove you why you are wrong. If you take x cube, let's draw the function. At 1, 1 cube will be 1. At 2, 2 cube will be what? 2 cube will be 8. 3 will be 27 and so on. So between 1 and 8, there are so many integers. Na? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These integer values are not taken. Now did you understand? Did you guys understand it? So 1 cube is 1, 2 cube is 8, but between 1 and 8, there are so many integers whose values are not taken. Then how can it be an onto function? Then how can it be an onto function? It cannot be onto. If it is not onto, it is not bijective. First option wrong. Everybody clear? Are you guys clear with it? Everybody, did you understand my logic? Very good, Manisha. Fantastic. So that is why option A is wrong. Got it? Now, let's come to option C. Option C also same mistake. So let me take 2x plus 1. At 0, it will be 1. At 1, it will be 3. At 2, it will be 5. At 2, it will be 5. So you see, even values are not taken at all. Even number values are not taken. Even values are not taken. But your codomain is Z, which has even numbers also. So if even numbers are not taken, then every value in the codomain is not taken, then it is not onto. If it is not onto, it is not a bijection. So that is also wrong. Superb, right? This is how you reason out. This is how you reason it out. Okay? Are you all clear? Now x square plus 1 will not be 1 to 1, because x square plus 1 is a even function. So if you put minus 1 square plus 1 and if you put 1 square plus 1, both these values are equal. So f of 1 is equal to f of minus 1. That means it is many to 1. It is a many to 1 function. If it is many to 1 function, it is not a bijection. So that is also wrong. So the only option left out is this, because it is a linear function with the coefficient of x as 1. That is why it is onto as well as 1 to 1. Are you all clear? Did you guys like it? Everybody? Great. So shall we move forward? Very good, Pranit. I'm glad you enjoyed it. So people, with that we'll move forward. Shall we? Great. So the 14th question for you guys is right on your screen, people. Please try to solve it. After this, we have only one question. So in case you are new to the channel, please make sure you subscribe, give a like to the video. And if you want to participate in the Menti Quiz, come to www.menti.com and use the code over here so that you can also be a part of this wonderful class. Okay? So people, please do it quickly. All of you. Everybody, please do it quickly. Come on, guys. Everybody, try to participate. Victorian. Yes, man. What's up? Tejaswin. Yes, you are a bit late, but doesn't matter, man. At least try to solve these two questions. You have two more questions. Okay. Very good. Srilata is telling, I am also Telugu. Great. Yes, Srilata. So people, try to solve it. Come on. Last 5 seconds. Janisha. Welcome, Janisha. Nice to see you here. Welcome. Aditya Pradeep. Welcome. Vishal. Great. Pranit. Let's check it, Pranit. Yes, Pranit. You are right this time. So Pranit is right this time. F inverse of x is equal to f of x. I solved a homework question. Kakashi, I solved the homework question today, at the start of the class. So let's try to solve it. So many Telugu people here. Yes, of course, lot of great number of students from Andhra, Telangana. It is always lovely to meet everybody. I think everybody is here in this channel, guys. That's what makes it beautiful. So what do? You write f of x as y. Y is equal to what? 3x plus 2 divided by 5x minus 3. Now, whenever you want to find inverse, Kakashi, listen carefully. Whenever you want to find f inverse, get x in terms of y. Get x in terms of y. Okay. So, what do? 5xy minus 3y is equal to 3x plus 2. Got it? So, now, if I want to get x in terms of y, bring x to this side. So you'll get 5xy minus 3x is equal to 3y plus 2. So now what will be x? X is equal to 3y plus 2 divided by 5y minus 3. Now that will be the inverse function. So f inverse of x is equal to, replace x by f inverse of x, replace y by x. So it will be 3x plus 2 divided by 5x minus 3. Now don't you think these two are the same? So f inverse of x and f of x are basically the same. That's why option A is correct. Did you all like it? Everybody? Did you guys like it? Fantastic. Very good. OIC, thank you so much, man. I'm glad you guys enjoyed it. VIT CS is very good soul. Yes, that's right. Okay. So Siva, yes Siva, I will plan such sessions. Don't worry. So guys, last question for the day. Last question for the day. So please make sure you guys solve it and preferably get it right as well. Here we go. Please do it, guys. Come on. This is the last question. I hope you enjoyed the session. Please try to get it correct. Come on, guys. You have to find g of f of 3 by 2. G of f of 3 by 2. Laddu question. Laddu. Okay. So don't make a mistake here. Hello, Pramila. No problem, Pramila. Welcome to this class. Don't worry. You can subscribe to the channel and we will see you again in another Menti class. I have many Menti sessions coming up. So don't worry. Great. Hello, Psyquin Gaming. I don't know what is that word. Welcome, man. Great to see you here. Vishal says D. Okay, Vishal, we'll check it. Vaibhav, I'm doing fine, man. Only thing is my voice is not very good. A and B are the same. Okay, let's make it -1. A is -1. Okay, change it. Roshan, thank you so much, Roshan. That is very nice of you. I'm so glad to have all of you guys. Amazing, guys. Menti session with students only is fun, man. You need to have a lot of students, only then it is fun. Otherwise, it's just me talking to the screen. So guys, the answer is option D. Yes, you are right. Kirti Aran, fantastic Kirti Aran. So let me show you how to solve it. So we want G of f of 3 by 2. So first to find f of 3 by 2. What is f of 3 by 2? F of 3 by 2 is equal to 2 into 3 by 2 minus 1 divided by 2. So that is going to be what? That is going to be 3 minus 1 by 2. That is going to be 2 by 2. So f of 3 by 2 is equal to 1. It is equal to 1. So this will become g of 1. What is g of 1? G of x is equal to x plus 2. So g of 1 is equal to 1 plus 2, which is equal to 3. So that's why option D is correct. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Are you all clear? Love from Mars. I have a very distant follower. Thank you, man. Yes, that is so amazing. I heard Mars JEE exam is very difficult. I don't know whether this can help you, but I hope I did my part. Now you take it forward. Okay. So let's move forward to the last one, guys, which is the leaderboard. Okay. So what is the leaderboard standing? What is the leaderboard standing right now? Did anybody reach the top? Okay, Srilata. Fantastic. Fantastic. So it was a very good fight. We had Srilata winning it, followed by Darshan, followed by Ninja, followed by Sai. Then we have, who is that? I don't know who is that. Die Hard, huh? I don't know who is that. Then we have Hari Haran, I guess. Kirti Haran. Okay, then we have I am the topper, Prince Ninja. Great job, guys. I hope everybody had fun today. So guys, don't worry. We'll have many more sessions like this. Congrats, Srilata. You are awesome. You are the winner today. Take care. So people, in case you would like to be a part of my classes regularly in YouTube, please subscribe to the channel. And if you want to be my student in Vedantu, if you want to join the crash course, make sure you guys check out the link in the description of this video and maybe you will enjoy it. Okay? So with that, guys, we'll conclude our session. I hope all of you had fun. I love you all. Take care and see you all again tomorrow at 9 o'clock. Okay? Bye-bye, guys. See you.